See viewers, this one Lancer, Mistubisi Lancer 2010 model. There is one problem, that teapit cover leakage. Teapit cover seal is not fixed properly. That's why oil leakage. So every week I have to change. So we need to use some tools. I show you 10 T-rod and this one Spanish something. This one very simple, you can buy their spare part shop, hardware shop. And now we are going to open. First we remove this one pipe, and then coil, ignition coil grip we remove, open screw. This one easily you can fix properly, teapit cover seal, because last week also I am changing there somewhere but they are not fixed properly, so that's why I am going to open again myself and then I will do this one, because alhamdulillah I have also experience, so little work I can handle. So we remove this one coil, be carefully, if you don't know so no need to try. And then remove this one bolt, that bolt for AC clamp, the other one accelerator wire clamp, remove safely. Be careful, something dusting not go inside. And remove this one timing belt upster cover. There have two bolts. Safely we have to open this one. If your car have problem, you can solve like easily by yourself, no need to go somewhere. Very hot weather today, so we have to now remove teapit cover 6 bolt. Before you open, you need to open sparking plug safely. You need to open sparking plug. This one car 4 cylinder, so 4 plug we need to open. I am change also my sparking plug last week. Let's check what happened. This one new plug also going dirty, maybe because sometime carbon coming, because teapit cover not fixing properly, that's why plug have also problem coming. So let's check. We open first. Weather is very hot. Right now I am repairing this one outside area, open area, so hard. Someone cannot help me. I don't have any friend to help me to carry my camera, so I put my camera on the stand with the gimbal. Now use magnet and check. Oh, see, they have also little carbon. We need to remove carefully all plug, 4 plug. Now 4 plug, and then after we need to remove teapit cover 6 bolt. Be carefully, open this one cap, oil oil cap. That is easy work you can do if your teapit cover leakage seal, oil leakage, because if you're not fixing, every week you have to check your oil, engine oil going leak, so waste your engine oil. And please, when you change your engine oil, use original oil, because I am using original oil, but this one, my oil, my car oil, I always change like after 2 months, because problem is teapit cover not fixing good. Before I am change seal, but somebody not fixing. See, their this one seal not fixing. I will fix first, and then you check. There came not losing. I think this one properly fix. Alhamdulillah, this one everything okay, but only seal problem. That's why leakage oil. So I changed this one seal last week, but something problem there, so I fix now again myself. And then Bismillah Rahman, putting properly, fix properly. Be careful when you putting, you have to check everything proper, and then after that you have to put bolt back. There's 6 bolt. First you need to fix all bolt, but slowly, no need to tight. When complete 6 bolt, after we have to tight, full tight. Now little we fixing that bolt. No need to one time you tight one bolt, second bolt, after again problem coming, teapit cover leakage seal. So oil leakage, because if no balance bolt, so there leakage. So properly we have to fix bolt back. I again to tell to people, maybe they are watching my video. This one Lancer 2006 model, 2010 model, 1.6. Oh sorry, 1.3. This car good for no eating more petrol, no using more petrol, but problem only no power more. But this time people no need power, people need saving, so that's why I am using 1.3 model, 1.3 engine car. So be carefully tight, but no need to full tight. First we need to complete 6 bolt, but no need to tight full. We need to tight balance, like balance. 6 bolt have equal balance, no loose, no more tight. So seal coming properly, after leakage problem also solve. And when you do this one, so be carefully, dust cannot go inside. If dust go inside, that also make problem for engine. So if anyone have problem, they will do their self. Watch my video, or if possible, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now put properly sparking plug back, number 2, number 3, number 4. Be carefully when you leave sparking plug there inside, and then after, first you need to tie it with hand. tie it with hand properly, equal balance. I put upstairs tapping cover my hand because this one my car in parking, so no hot. If your car hot, so don't do like this thing, maybe your hand burn. So equal balance, sparking plug, because I checked this one plug, last week I will change plug. Now take spinach and tight, slowly, equal balance first, no need to full tight one time. First equal balance for 4 sparking plug. Yeah, now balance. So we need to proper put back this one coil, ignition coil. I check my coil is okay. This one original Mitsubishi Lancer. So put properly coil. Don't break their wire, because very expensive wire and coil, ignition coil. Put back grip again, be carefully. And then we need to tight bolt again for ignition coil. First use hand, with hand, be carefully. Bismillah. So if anyone you have problem, so you can do yourself. Now we need to take 10 T-rod and then tight, equal balance. Tight 4 bolt, this 2 coil, there have 2 bolt, so we need to tight, be carefully. And then we need to fix pipe, air pipe and cap, put back cap again. And then accelerator wire clamp, put back again, be carefully. I think this one bolt is very big, so maybe this one going to touch with the teapit cover, so problem again coming. So I have to remove back, and then I will fix another small screw, because I don't want to touch teapit cover. If I touch screw touch in teapit cover, problem. So this one okay, I think this one okay. So now you need to tight AC clamp, because if some people they are repairing, they will leave this one clamp like that, so that is making problem when you go long driving like that, so noisy coming inside. So that's why when you're removing anything, put properly. So now teapit timing belt cover, we fix their 2 bolt. Upstairs timing belt cover, we need to put 2 bolt properly, because if you not put cover back, so dust going inside, they make damage your timing belt. So timing belt is main thing inside car engine. Sorry for that, so I cannot focus each one thing because I am alone. I make myself video with I am using gimbal. So suddenly I have problem, that's why I am thinking I make video, so I can show to people how to fix their car. Well, alhamdulillah, I have knowledge, little bit I have knowledge, because my older brother, my 2 older brother, they teach me I am working with them. They have three garage. They are master for car electronics, all car electric problem, computer problem, scanning, programming they will fix. So that's why I have some knowledge. For me, alhamdulillah, God not do like that, Allah not do like that. Any problem coming in my car, I solve myself. I don't want to go somewhere. But if you don't know, so please don't do this one. If you have confidence, you can do. If you don't have knowledge, so please don't do yourself. Now I'm going to this one came sensor, going to clean. So there have some carbon. I clean this one came sensor also. So pick more going good. Car pick going to best. More pick. I am outside now. Open area. I am fixing this one. So alhamdulillah, now I fix already car. So we going to try this one. Now car is working very properly, very good. This one I show you, Mitsubishi Lancer 2010. So inshallah, keep watch my YouTube channel.